Assalamualaikum friends, I'm Muhammad Ajmer Kama and you're watching Tech with Ajmer. So friends, if you are a YouTuber and you want to record your gameplays or your screen on your low-end PC, so this video is for you. So please be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it takes a lot of effort making a video. Okay friends, the first one is FreeCam. FreeCam is a free tool for creating screencast. The best thing that it doesn't include watermarks and no time limits, and you can also highlight mouse and record your audio. To download this you must have Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7, 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, the second one is Bandicam. Easy to use free screen recording software that enables you to record everything on your PC. It offers audio recording, webcam overlay and real-time drawing. And if you want to download this, links are in the description, go check it out. Okay, the third one is Filmora Screen. Filmora Screen is best open source screen productivity that is reliable and safe when it comes to important images, audios and other media files. Filmora Screen is capable for exporting various format files, but you don't have to download Filmora Screen. Go to my description and there is a complete video on how to download Filmora crack version. But don't worry, this software will also help you to edit videos and add transactions. But if you have downloaded this by my video, then go to the Filmora. Then when it will be opened, go to import, and then when you will go to left side, there is a export. There's a option record. When you will click on the down arrow, then they will show you an option option webcam overlay and record your PC screen and record your voiceover. So that's a very great option, and it doesn't include watermark because this is a cracked version and I'm currently using Filmora. Okay, so the fourth one is OBS Studio. Open broadcaster software are available for Windows, Mac OS 10.13 Plus and Linux free. Open software for recording and live stream. Links are in the description, go check it out. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, links are given in the description down below, and if you want to follow me on Facebook, links are given in the description down below. Allah Hafiz.